Well, Scott from Scott Rogers Garage here. This is a big moment for us. In every shop, in every country, in every part of the world, from time to time, just an ass whooping runs into the shop. So we got this 52 Chevrolet, and it's beautiful, and it's almost done. We're fixing to let it back down on the ground. It's been up in the air for a few months, and it's just one of those days where you're just like, man, this is great. We took this job on. We've built a lot of these 50 Chevys, and they're all pretty much the same. And then here goes Chevrolet, and like any other manufacturer, they got this 3/4 ton. Every part is available for the entire truck for a 1/2 ton, and half the parts are available for a 3/4 ton. And we just happen to have one of the ones that the frame is different, the engine is different, the transmission is different, the brakes are different. But here we are. It's really close to being done. We get to fire it up. The wheels are different, so we had to put split rims together here ourselves, which for those of you who don't know, that's it's kind of dangerous, or can be dangerous, but we got it put together. It looks good. We got our original looking tires that are on there, and getting ready to set it down. Jeff Slack's been working on this thing for the last 2 or 3 months here, and we'll let him do the honors. That's awesome. There it is. Maybe the next time you see it, we'll have the hood on, and we'll be driving this thing out front. Trying to see what a 3/4 ton 52 Chevrolet, all original engine, transmission, brakes, wheels, tires, interior, 100%. It looks good. And thanks to all the guys in the shop. Like I said, this thing's been hard, and we're getting through it, and it's really working out. You guys have a good one.